Good morning, everyone. My name is Abdurrahman Yusuf, and I'm a student in grade 12. I'm glad to be here today to discuss a critical issue, which is global warming. My presentation is divided into 4 parts, beginning with global warming definition, and then causes of global warming, and then I'll move on to the effects of global warming, and finally, how to reduce global warming. Global warming refers to the gradual rise in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. It poses a significant threat, especially in the ice melting, impacting both the planet and us, humans. However, the first step to solve any problem is identifying its causes. Global warming results from various factors, both natural and man-made, but today I will focus on the human-induced causes. When people burn fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas, they release the greenhouse gas carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And a greenhouse gas is a gas that causes global warming. Methane, another greenhouse gas produced by bacteria in the landfill sites and from modern agriculture. However, these gases trap heat into the atmosphere, and this is causing the Earth's temperature to rise. So what are the consequences of this problem? As you see here, the effects of global warming. The first effect is that the heat waves will be more over the time, and the weather will be extremely hot, and that will contribute to the ice melting, especially in the North and South Pole. And this will consequently lead to another effect, which is the rise of sea levels, which will put some countries and islands at risk because of floods. And as we see here in this simulation video about how floods will affect on different cities around the world, as we see here, this is London, the capital city of England, and the sea levels are getting higher and higher across the years. So therefore, there will be a lot of uninhabitable places in the future. For example, the Maldives Islands, there's a lot of expectations and studies that told us that the Maldives will disappear in the next years. So how can we reduce global warming? How can we sort this problem out? Individuals and governments both have to take action to solve this problem. We must begin with a reduction of greenhouse gases we release. For example, as individuals, we can turn off lights and electronic devices when we are not using them, walk or ride a bike instead of using cars, take shorter showers to save the water, and recycle our waste. In conclusion, all of us must realize the fact that our Earth is not well. It needs a treatment, and we can help it heal. We must take up the responsibility and stop the global warming together. This brings me to the end of my presentation. It was a pleasure being here today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Should reduce the amount of greenhouse gases we release, and for example, for the governments, they should put some strict rules to prevent people from overusing electricity and emit more greenhouse gases, and maybe build some eco-friendly buildings, factories. Yeah. That's all.